A brief survey of prostitution laws in various countries. Canada. Prostitution in Canada is legal with strict regulations. Under the Protection of Communities and Exploited Persons Act, it is legal to communicate with the intention of selling sex. However, it is illegal to communicate with the intention of buying sex and illegal to purchase sex services. It is legal for sex workers to advertise their own services, but not others' services. It is also illegal to sell sex near any area where a minor, under 18, could reasonably be expected to be present, such as schools, playgrounds, etc. These are just a few of the provisions in the law. Thailand. Prostitution is illegal in Thailand, but the laws are ambiguous and often unenforced. As a result, red light districts, massage parlors, go-go bars, and sex-focused karaoke bars are common sights. Sex work in Thailand is a significant economic incentive for many citizens, especially rural, unskilled women with financial burdens. Japan. Engaging in prostitution as a buyer or seller is technically illegal in Japan. However, because the legal definition of prostitution is extremely narrow and specific, vaginal intercourse with a stranger, sex workers have devised a cornucopia of loopholes and end-arounds. These include soaplands, where guests are bathed by prostitutes, offering oral, anal, mammary, or some other form of non-vaginal intercourse, and fashion health or delivery health services, which sell legal services such as a massage and unofficially throw in a sex act as a freebie. As such, prostitution in Japan is prohibited, but thriving. Germany. In one of the more progressive approaches worldwide, prostitution in Germany is legal, organized, and taxed. Germany also allows brothels, advertisements, and the processing of prostitution jobs through HR companies. Germany passed the Prostitutes Protection Act in 2016, which was intended to protect the legal rights of prostitutes. Part of the act includes requiring a permit for all prostitution trades and a registration certificate for all prostitutes. Australia. The legality of prostitution in Australia varies considerably from one state or territory to another, as each have their own laws. In New South Wales, prostitution is almost completely decriminalised, though pimping is still illegal. In Queensland, Tasmania, and Victoria, sex work is legal and regulated. In Western Australia, Northern Territory, and South Australia, independent sex work is legal and not regulated, but brothels and pimping are illegal. Mexico. Prostitution is legal under federal law in Mexico. The country's 31 states each enact their own prostitution policies, and 13 of those states allow and regulate prostitution. Some cities have tolerance zones, which act as red light districts and enable regulated prostitution. Pimping is illegal in most parts of Mexico. United States. Where is prostitution legal in the United States? Prostitution is illegal everywhere in the U.S. except for 10 counties in Nevada. Brothels are permitted in counties where prostitution is legal, and both brothels and prostitutes are subject to federal income taxes. Prostitution is illegal in the remaining Nevada counties: Clark, Douglas, Eureka, Lincoln, Pershing, and Washoe. Las Vegas and Reno are located within Clark and Washoe County, respectively, meaning prostitution is illegal in both cities. Nonetheless, the majority of prostitution in Nevada occurs illegally in Reno and Las Vegas.